Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take you all the way to Africa. We had the opportunity of living in Lagos, Nigeria, which is in West Africa. The food over there is nice and spicy to our liking. Our personal favorite used to be palm oil chicken. It's cooked with palm oil, which is an extract of palm kernels. The oil is thick in texture, dark red in color, deep red, and it has got a different kind of taste. The curry gets its taste from this oil. This oil is not easily available everywhere. You only find it in Africa and some parts of Brazil. I somehow got it from Brazil. Some friends got it for me. So if you don't get this oil, you can use normal oil and add a pinch of Kashmiri chili powder to get the red rich color. So let's go and prepare this curry. These are the ingredients. I have taken about 400 grams of chicken with bones. This is palm oil. It's very thick kind of oil. You have to shake it before use. It's known as óleo de dendê in Brazil. Tomato puree, half cup. 1 onion, finely chopped. Half cup peanuts. 1 cup of spinach, chopped coarsely. This is replacing the African greens. We have salt to taste, and here is the African spice powder. If you don't find this, you can use garam masala powder. It's nice, pungent and spicy. And we have homemade chili paste, 2 tablespoons. Place a pan on the gas. Pour about 3 tablespoons of palm oil. You see the rich red thick color of the oil? It has got a peculiar smell also, different kind of smell. Now add the onions to it. Saute them. This oil is the extract from palm kernels. You get it only in Africa and some parts of Brazil too. In Brazil they call it óleo de dendê. I somehow managed to get it from Brazil this time, courtesy some friends. Now saute the onion for about a minute or so till it becomes translucent. Actually, this oil gives the curry its taste. Now dip in the chicken pieces. You don't have to marinate the chicken. Straight away add it to the pan. Now toss the chicken so that the oil is coated very well on it. Keep stirring. Now you can cover it for a minute or so that the flavors of the oil get into the chicken nicely. Now you can see the chicken has been simmering and the color also has changed a bit. Now we'll go ahead and add the other ingredients. First I'm adding the African spice powder. If you don't find this, you can add garam masala powder. Add salt to taste. Saute it. This masala is very strong and pungent. It has got different flavors. In Africa they also use them for marinating the meats, grilled meats. A dish called suya also is made with this, with the addition of peanut powder. Now add the chili paste. I am adding 2 tablespoons. You can just adjust it as to your taste. Now add about half cup of tomato puree. I've used the ready one. You can even make it at home by blanching the tomatoes and blending them. But this ready puree gives it a nice color to the curry. Now add about 3 cups of water. Stir everything well. Now we are going to cover the lid and allow the curry to simmer. Bring it to a boiling point. Once the curry starts boiling, you reduce the flame and let it simmer. Curry has started simmering. Now we can reduce the flame. Meanwhile, let us proceed to roast the peanuts. Heat a small pan and roast them. If you are using roasted peanuts, you can skip this step and straight away grind them. Since they are raw, we need to roast them. Roast them evenly, turning them with a spatula. Until you get aroma. Now allow them to cool before grinding them. Grind them to a fine powder. Later we are going to mix it with water and add to the curry. The quantity may be more, we will use as much required for the curry. You can store away the rest for the next time or use it in any other curries. The curry has been simmering for 15 minutes. It is almost done, but requires little more, 5 minutes more to cook at least. At this stage, we are going to blend. I have taken 4 tablespoons of peanut powder and added to 1 cup of water. Blended well with a small whisk to avoid the lumps. Now stir it into the curry. This gives the thickness to the curry. You see the texture and color of the curry changes when you add the peanut paste. Actually, in West Africa, in Nigeria, people even add some melon seeds, pumpkin seeds. You can combine them along with the peanuts. Now I am adding the palak, chopped spinach. Now chop it very coarsely. This is replacing the African greens. They had different kinds of greens. But here, since we don't get those, I use palak. You can even use amaranth leaves or any greens available. You don't have to really overcook the greens, so just add them towards the end. We are again going to simmer for 7 or 8 minutes. Now open the pan, stir and check the texture of the gravy. I think it is just perfect for the rice. In Nigeria, they serve this curry with pounded yam, which is somewhat like mashed potato. We dip in the gravy and enjoy it. In India, you get this kind of yam only in Kerala. Now let's check for the salt. I think little bit is needed. Even the spice level chilli paste you can add if you like more. This curry tastes very good when it's very spicy and nice. Curry is done. It's ready now. Let's dish it out and serve it. Take a serving dish and transfer the curry into it. I'm going to serve it with plain rice. Wish I had some yam to go with it. Wow, the yam tastes so delicious. I have sweet memories. The taste of that yam and this curry lingers in my mouth still. But it tastes very good with rice also. Do give it a try. You must try out this curry. I know you may not even find the palm oil, but you can do with the normal oil. So the palm oil chicken curry is ready to be served. Doesn't it look delicious? Friends, hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share the feedback. I'll be glad to hear from you. And please subscribe my channel if you have not done so. And also remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.